right, boys and girls, for this activity, if you have a cereal box, I have one here that we were going to put into the recycling bin. But instead of getting rid of it, I am going to use it for this activity. So if you have a cereal box or any sort of like thick construction paper or anything, you can use that too. So I'll wait right here. You can pause the video until you go get it, and get some scissors too, but be careful to hold the scissors right. Do you guys remember how to hold the scissors? Do you hold it like that? No, right? Because that side will poke you. So when you're walking with scissors or anything, make sure that you hold it like that, okay? All right, so I'm going to start cutting so that I can use the inside of it. And then, look what is on the inside. It's blank. That means that we can use the inside to write and draw on. Here's the inside of my box. I already cut along this line right there, right? And you point the scissors away from you and you make sure that your thumb is always facing upward, right? So I also have this ruler and I drew some black lines. Right. So I drew some lines. So now it's time to cut them into strips. So first I'm going to take off these edges so that they're not in the way, since I don't need these. These are the flaps so that I could close my cereal, but I don't need those anymore. So I'm going to put those off to the side and I will put them in the recycling bin, or maybe I'll use them for another project later. I'm going to cut this flap off and then this flap off. And now I'm going to cut the strips. And I forgot to mention, we will need 28 rectangles, maybe about the size of the length of your finger, or like a domino piece, okay? All right, see you in a bit. All right, we're making progress, and I have some cut up right here, and I just have one more strip left to go. So let's keep cutting, and then we have to count to make sure we have 28. You have to use every single rectangle and draw a line right in the middle so that it looks like a dominoes piece, just like this. Do you see how this one has a line right in the middle? So I made a line right in the middle of that one. So do that to all of your pieces, and then come back, hit pause, and then come back, all right? All right, for this next part, we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dominoes. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab 6 of these, and mine are bigger. So yours might be bigger or they might be the same size. So let's grab 6 and put them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to draw the dots on there, just how the dominoes are on there. So this one should look like that one should look like that one, this one should look like that one should look like that one should look like that one, and that one should look like that one. So on the top part, are there any dots? Nope, there's 0 dots. So for this one, how many dots are on the bottom? 1, so we're gonna draw 1 dot. For this one, how many dots are on the bottom? 2 dots. I'm gonna draw 1, 2. And if you have to pause it, because I'm going too fast, then you can pause the video, okay? This next one, we're gonna do 3 dots on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. The next one, we're going to draw how many dots? We should be subitizing. There should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots on the bottom. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about this one? How many is that one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you may have subitized, right? That means that you recognized it without counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how about this last one? Let me hold it up because it's yellow. How many dots are on this one? There's, hold on, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots on the bottom. So, oops, I just forgot my countertop. All right, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and I think we're finished. So let's put those off to the side. All right, for this one, we have a different number or a different amount on the top. How many dots do we have on the top part? How many does this one have? 1. That one has 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. But let's look at the bottom. How many are on the bottom? Let's count. That's 1. This one has 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to put our blank cards right in front of it. So how many blank cards do we need? Let's count each domino piece. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, oops, I grabbed 2, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I think I have it a little bit too low. Let me push it up just a little bit more. And this domino piece has to look like that one. This domino piece like that one. This domino piece should look like that one. This one should look like that one. That one should look like that one. And this one should look like that one. So we already counted them. So let's start drawing. How many here? 1 on each side. So I'm gonna do 1 and 1. How many on this one? 1 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. So 1 and then 2 on the bottom. And you can pause it if you have to. This one has 1 and 3 on the bottom. I'm gonna put 1 and 3. I want you guys to do this with me, okay? I'm taking my time so you guys can do it with me. This one has a 1 and a 4. So it's a 1 here and then 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has a 1 and a 5. So 1 right there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has a 1 and a 6. 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. All right. And then those are complete. So let's push those off to the side. All right. For this next step, there are 2s on the top and the same thing goes on the bottom, but this time it starts at the number 2. So it's 2 on the bottom, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. So how many dominoes do we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's get 5 of our blank ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this domino has to look like that one has to look like that one, and there's that one. All right, and this is actually really good practice because you guys are practicing subitizing. So how many are on the top here? 2. So we're gonna put 2 and draw 2 on one of your blank ones. How many are on the bottom? 2 again. 1, 2. How many are on the top? 2. Why don't we just put 2s on all of these? Oops, and I actually have 2 right there. I didn't realize that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And from here, it just goes up 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. So fill it in, boys and girls. And I just finished. So there we go. 2s on the top, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. So let's push those off to the side. All right, boys and girls, there are only 4 dominoes in this set. And what number is at the top of the dominoes? On the top part. Like for example, this one, how many are on top? Right here. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. So all of these have a 3 on the top. And then on the bottom it starts at 3, and then 4, 5, 6. So we need 4 blank cards on the bottom so that we can fill them in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's put 3s all on the top. And there we go. There's 3, 3, 3, 3. And how about on the bottom? So it's 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put it 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and there we go. 3s on the top, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. And mine don't look perfect. So it's okay if yours don't look perfect either, or yours might actually look better than mine. That dot doesn't even look like a dot. It looks kind of squished, right? All right, let's put those off to the side. We're almost done. We're getting there. Here we go. For this one, we only have 3 dominoes. And what is the top number? The number that's on the top. How many are on the top? I'm covering up the bottom so you can see the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the top. This one, sorry, I shouldn't even use scissors to play around like that, right? This one has 4 on the top, that one has 4 on the top, and that one has 4 on the top. How about on the bottom? It starts with 4, and then 5, and then 6. So grab 3 blank cards and put them underneath. 1, 2, 3. And let's fill the top with 4 dots and push pause. All right, there are my 4 dots on the top part. So now let's do the bottom. Let's start with 4, and then 5, and then 6. So let's put 4 dots on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And those are done. So let's push those off to the side. All right, boys and girls, how many dominoes are in this set? There's 2 dominoes. And what's the number that's at the top? How many are there? Not the number, the quantity. I've been saying it wrong. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one has 5, right? So let's put 2 right there. 1 and 2. And let's draw 5 on top. And then what numbers are on the bottom? 5 and 6. So let's put 5 dots on top, and then let's put the 5 dots here and then 6 dots there. There we go. And let's put those to the side and grab the last 2 sets. Well, 2 dominoes, all right? And I'll show you which ones they are. All right, that one is all by itself. How many dots are on the top part? Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 on the bottom and 6 on the top. So let's grab a blank one, draw 6 dots and 6 dots. Push pause until you're done. And I didn't even hold it up so you could see it. There you go. There are the 6 dots. 6 here and 6 there. And there's one last domino. Look at the last domino. How many dots are on the top? That's right, there's 0. How many dots are on the bottom? There's 0. So do we have to draw any dots on there? Nope, we do not have to. So let's put those off to the side, and please get your number cards. Make sure you have the numbers from 0 all the way to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Push pause and we'll meet back here. All right, boys and girls. Now, please put your numbers in order, but make sure to leave space here and make sure that you have space up here, because we are going to stack up our dominoes and we're going to mix them up, and then we're going to close our eyes and pick one. All right, and we're gonna do something pretty fun. All right, so let's take this one. I just grabbed this one. Now, we're going to take the 2 amounts, that amount and that amount, and we're going to add them. That means that we're going to take 2 dots, and then how many are here? 0. How many is that together? Let's count the total. There's only 2. So guess what? This 2, we have to put it in the total above the number, above the correct number. So which number is that? The total is 2. So we're gonna put it above the number 2. Let's take another one. Close your eyes and grab another one. You might have a different one than me. There we go. I got, how many on that side? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many on this side? 1, 2, 3. So how many in total? 4 plus 3 is equals, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna put it above the number 7. Yep, right there. And close your eyes and grab another one. Grab another one. Here's another one. I have 1 on this side and 1 on that side. So what's the total? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Another one for the number 2. Wait a minute. So 2 plus 0 equals 2 and 1 plus 1 equals 2? Amazing. All right, close your eyes and grab another one. Here's this one. How many are here? 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many on this side? 2. 1, 2. So let's count them all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wait, did we count them together? Come on, guys, count with me. Don't just do what I'm telling you. Count it all together with me, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're gonna put it above the number 5 because that's the number 5 right there. How about this one? How many are on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are on this side? 0, because 0 means nothing. So what's the total? That's right, 6. So put it above the 6. Where's the 6? Right there. Last one before I let you guys go off to play on your own. Oh. Let's see, that's the one I got. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are on the side? 1. So let's add them together to get the total amount. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where's the number 7? What? Another 7? Look at that. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 6 plus 1 also equals 7. All right, boys and girls, even though you may have real dominoes, I actually think it's more convenient because you guys have little hands. I have bigger hands than you guys do, but you guys have little hands. So if you grab these, remember I used a cereal box and I just dropped one. You guys can just carry these with you, and you guys can also store them in a Ziploc bag. Here's my Ziploc bag right there. Just store them in a Ziploc bag, and then you can mix them up in here in the Ziploc bag, and then you close your eyes and you grab one, right? Well, how many is that one? How many is that in total? 1. So then you put it above the number 1, okay? So I want you guys to keep on practicing and keep on playing, because you're gonna find that there are lots of ways to get 7, there's lots of ways to get 8, there's lots of ways to get 9, lots of ways to get 10, and all of these numbers, you might be surprised with what you find. So make sure you take pictures of yourself playing dominoes. Have fun, guys.